So,
Okay, perfect. So I think we're live now. We're good to go. Welcome everyone to the very first session of Forex 101. My name is Asim Mirza and I am with Tradeview Markets. And today I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit about Forex, giving you an introduction. And this is just the first of many sessions we'll be doing together. There's going to be a lot more live sessions every single Tuesday at this time, 12 p.m. Eastern time. So feel free to join the calls as well and learn more about Forex. And get a deeper understanding of the financial markets as well. So today we're going to start right from the very basics. We're going to talk about what is Forex, and you will get to have a deeper understanding of the industry, and also moving forward you will know exactly what you need to do in order for you to become a profitable trader and someone who has the knowledge to be successful in trading Forex. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is give you guys an insight about the Forex market. So the foreign exchange market, which is also known as the Forex market, is the largest financial market in the world. And why is it the largest financial market in the world? Because $6.6 trillion are traded every single day within this market. So there's more than enough money for everyone to come and benefit from this industry. And the Forex market is a global, decentralized market where the world's currencies change hands. So everything depends on the Forex market. As we've seen, the financial hubs of the world are depending on the Forex market as well. And this is where you'll see a lot of major transactions take place as well, which opens up a lot of opportunities for all of us to benefit from. Now, the ultimate goal of Forex is to buy a currency that is anticipated to gain value, or sell a currency that is anticipated to lose value against another currency. And this is something that makes Forex so attractive to a lot of people, is because you can make money buying and selling within this market. So if you move on from there now, let's give you a few reasons as to why you should want to learn more about Forex and why you should trade Forex. The first thing is the flexibility. You can trade from anywhere in the world. As long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, you can literally trade from multiple locations around the world. Just connect to your Wi-Fi and you can start trading. Traders can profit whether a currency is increasing or decreasing in value, as I've mentioned before. And that is something that, again, attracts a lot of people to this market as well, because you can make money if the market is going up, or you can make money if the market is going down. So there's plenty of opportunities for people to get involved in the Forex market and benefit. Forex does not require a high initial investment. You see, a lot of times when people talk about Forex trading, they think that they have to invest hundreds and thousands of dollars just to trade in the Forex market. Well, that's not true. You can start from as little as $100, start trading in the Forex market, and you'll be able to gain more experience over time. But it does not take a high initial investment for you to get started. And high liquidity allows for large amounts of leverage as well. So the Forex market is the most liquid market in the world. So there is a lot of liquidity within this market, and that opens up opportunities for you to get leverage within your trading as well. And we're going to talk about leverage, in one of our next sessions coming up. So this way you guys will have a deeper understanding of what Tradeview Forex can even offer you in terms of the leverage that we have on our accounts, and you'll be able to understand a bit more about how that works as well. But the best thing about Forex is that it's open 24 hours, 5 days a week. Because one of the things that people say to me is, I don't have the time to trade Forex. I'm working in the morning, I'm busy in the evening, or I'm working, I'm busy in the morning and I'm working in the evening. Well, the good thing is that you can make Forex work around your schedule. Even if you're working from 9 to 5, you want to take a couple of hours off, no problem. But then you can spend 2-3 hours in the evening learning how to trade and actually trading on the markets as well. And again, that's another thing that makes this industry so attractive, and why more and more people are opening up to the idea of learning Forex and trading Forex as well, because it gives you the flexibility. You can do it anywhere in the world as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, and you can do it at a time that works best for you. So you can make Forex fit within your busy schedule as well. So now what I wanted to do just very, very quickly is give you guys a little insight to the 4 major markets that you can trade on. So this will give you a bit of an understanding of the timeframes that work best for you. And I want to give you guys some information or some, key factors or points that you can take away about these sessions as well. So if you want to know about the full details of all of the sessions, you have to tune in to our videos that we will be making on our TradeGate Hub platform, and also start tuning in from the regular calls that we'll be doing every single Tuesday as well. So the four major markets that we have is the London session, which takes place between 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern time. We have the New York session, which is open on 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern time. Then we have the Tokyo session, which is from 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern time. And then the Sydney session as well, which is 3 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern time. So these are the four major markets that are running, throughout the day, and you'll be able to trade along these major markets as well, especially the London and the New York session, because I'm going to give you guys some key tips and facts that you need to know when it comes to trading on these different sessions. So let's talk about the London session, okay? And by the way, anything that you're seeing right now, if it's a little bit confusing or you don't understand, it's completely fine. We're going to be going over this again in more detail on our courses on TradeGate Hub, and also in the future calls that we'll be doing every single Tuesday. So with the London session, due to the London session overlapping with two other major trading sessions, a large portion of Forex transactions are made during this time. Because the London session and the New York session are overlapping, that means there is high liquidity within the market. High liquidity means, a lot of trading options and a lot of trading setups are available for you to take advantage of. London session is known specifically to be volatile for Euro USD. Major news is released within a few hours of the session opening. So when the London session opens, especially, with all the news that's going on in the European market, it takes place in the beginning of the London session, and the news has a major effect on the market as well. And if you are understanding your fundamental analysis, you'll be able to be a step ahead in order for you to benefit when the news comes out, and you can make, the most of these announcements or the news coming out and the major moves that take place within the market as well. And we're going to be going over in our next session about the different currency pairs, how you can trade them, what are you looking for, just to give you a bit more of an insight. So most major movements that occur during the London session also carry over into the New York session as well. As I mentioned, these two sessions overlap during the day. And because of that overlap, any major move that happens in the London session, you can continue to follow that move into the New York session as well. And that's what makes these two sessions so good to trade on, because A, they overlap, and B, any moves you see earlier in the day will follow through into the New York session as well. And the best times to trade Euro USD and GBP USD is during the overlap of the London and New York session. Why? Because, as you guys know, Euro and USD and GBP and USD are the major currencies that are affected within these sessions as well. So I would highly recommend everyone to take advantage of these different currency pairs throughout these, sessions that are running. So these are just some facts about the London session. We have a lot more of these. I'm just giving you guys a little taste of what you can expect moving forward as well. But that's just a little introduction for you to understand the vast concept of Forex trading and the different sessions that we have throughout the day, so you can make it work according to your schedule. Now, let's talk about the New York session. So the New York session, this is the most traded session amongst all Forex traders, primarily due to the influential market news that this makes, throughout the session as well. There is a lot of major news that is released during the New York session, and that is something that can be highly beneficial to all traders that are trading at that time. So major news is released in the beginning of the session, just like as it does with the London session. And every major transaction in the world involves the USD. So, we all know this, the US dollar is the most powerful currency in the world, and every single transaction involves the US dollar. So whenever any major news comes out, which affects the US dollar, anything that is directly related to it will move drastically as well. So any major news coming out, and we're going to show you guys throughout the next couple of sessions how to understand the news, how to take advantage of the news that you're hearing, and applying that information onto the charts itself. There is almost little or no movement Friday afternoons, as Asian and London traders are done for the weekend. So I always tell people, it's not good to be trading on Fridays or Sundays as well, because the markets are very, very slow. The sessions are either just closing or they're just opening on Sunday. So it's not really the best time to be taking new positions on Fridays or Sundays, simply because of the market conditions are very, very slow at that time. So please be advised on that as well, if you are someone who's already trading and just looking for a free pointer on that as well. Now, lastly, before we just wrap up our session, I wanted to talk to you guys about Tradeview Markets. So Tradeview Markets, you can visit www.tradeviewforex.com. And with Tradeview Markets, you will receive a number of services that you will see that makes this really a very powerful broker for you to be starting your trading journey on. And as well as all of the sessions that you guys are going to get, educational sessions too, you can begin your journey with Tradeview Markets and continue from there on while you're joining our educational sessions. So open a live or a demo account with the best market conditions. You can do that on Tradeview Markets. You can choose from a variety of platforms that we have to trade on as well. And if you head over to our website, you'll be able to see, more information on these platforms and, what exactly you will receive with these platforms as well. Secured banking along with safe funding methods. And of course, Tradeview Markets is regulated as well. And you can find out more information about the regulations on our website. And the best thing is as well is that there are zero charges on all deposits and withdrawals. So this is something that, separates Tradeview Markets from a lot of other brokers out there. And while you start your trading journey, I cannot tell you of a better platform to be a part of than Tradeview Markets. So for more information, make sure you guys visit www.tradeviewforex.com. And now, very briefly, just before we wrap up, I want to share with you guys as well what we're going to be doing moving forward, so you have an understanding of what is to come in the near future. So we are working very hard to create some content for you guys on one of the platforms that we are partnered with, which is TradeGate Hub. And we are going to be sharing a lot of content on there for you guys, and it's absolutely free. So I highly recommend you go and take advantage of tradegatehub.com. And you're going to receive free courses on that platform as well. You'll be able to learn more about the Forex market. You'll be able to learn how to trade. If you're looking to do technical analysis, we're going to be teaching you that. Fundamental analysis, we'll be teaching you that. So there's a variety of options that you will have that you will be able to benefit from. And every Tuesday at this time, 12 Eastern time, we will begin our sessions in which I will go through a variety of different topics, and eventually we'll get to live charts and start analyzing the charts together, so we can start applying all of the things that we have learned. But this is just the very beginning of what we are planning to do. We still have many things that we are going to be accomplishing moving forward, and this is a start of a very, very good journey. And we're hoping that all of you guys can join us on this journey. Start your trading journey with us, learn more about Forex, and you'll be able to benefit with us as well. So thank you very much for tuning in.